Hello, and welcome to Catholic Schools Week. I'm Claudia Stokes, and I'm blessed to be the principal of St. Joseph Catholic School. During Catholic Schools Week, we celebrate our Catholic identity as we encourage our students to learn, serve, lead, and succeed. St. Joseph is a warm, welcoming community that I consider part of my family. Mrs. Kim Lyons, our Development and Volunteer Coordinator, will be your tour guide today. She'll be taking you around our wonderful school and introducing you to our amazing teachers and students. You are in good hands.
This is one of my favorite classrooms to come into because I never leave here without a gigantic smile on my face. This is our VPK classroom. Let's come on in and take a look. Right now, our VPK students are doing some puzzles. It's a little bit more of a quiet time, but they get to work on puzzles, problem solving, and interacting with the other students in teamwork situations. This is Miss Ziarno. She is one of our VPK teachers here, and she was actually a student that attended St. Joseph's once. Her daughter also attends school here. Miss Ziarno, what do you love best about being here at St. Joseph's?
I love that we are a family. Truly from my heart, I love that we are a family here.
Welcome to our science lab. Today the kids are doing station labs where they're researching the project that they will be working on next. And actually, Miss Ada is working on her interactive notebook. It's something a little special that we do here at St. Joseph's where the children actually create their own textbook. Right now they're learning about galaxies. So what they will do is they will actually take the information, draw it out, and basically create their own textbook, which is something that we do that's very innovative here. This is our math lab. Mr. Pagoria incorporates a math lesson in with IXL, which is another online learning tool. It actually kind of helps back up the information from what he's learned in class to actually have them practice it a little bit more. So this actually helps the students work individually to learn about that basic math skill. Hola, this is our Spanish classroom. Ms. Hessen has the joy of teaching all of our age groups of children here, all the way from our pre-K 3 group to our 8th graders. And they begin every class with the Padre Nuestro in Espanol, and it is the Our Father in Spanish.
Hola, I'm Mrs. Hessen. I have the pleasure of teaching pre-K through 8th grade students Espanol. For the little ones, we do it through playing and hands-on activities, pretty much vocabularies and simple things like that. For our middle school students, they begin their journey in 6th grade on Spanish 1, the same class that they would be taking in high school. And we have a great fun. By the time they leave our school, if everything goes well, they leave us with a Spanish 1 credit.
At St. Joseph, we work on the talents of the children, and art is one of our best ways to see that. So let's go into the art room and see what the kids are up to. Mr. Booth is great at teaching the kids about famous artists and then having their interpretation of that artist brought to life.
What I like most about art class is that we use a lot of famous people's art and make our own out of it.
Our 4th grade students right now are playing a game called Sparkle. It's a spelling game, and it's a way that it kind of helps their learning, but it's a lot of fun too.
What I like most about St. Joseph's Catholic School is the teachers, the students, and all the fun opportunities.
One of Coach Hook's biggest things that he loves to do is keep the kids moving. He believes that PE and physical education is just as important as math and science. He needs to teach the kids about health, keeping it moving, and being an overall better person.
My name is Coach Hook. I'm the PE teacher at St. Joseph Catholic School. We got a wonderful school here. The kids right now are playing kickball. This is our kickball segment. I believe PE is very important for kids today, especially with technology and everything. We do a lot of sitting around. There's not a lot of moving, and I'm trying to get the kids to move and be healthy. I try to teach the kids that health is very, very important to us. So that's part of my classes. I also incorporate math skills and also reading skills with physical education as well. We also offer sports at our school, sports K through 8th grade. We do flag football, we do basketball, volleyball, and soccer. Kids love it, they enjoy it very, very much, and I enjoy teaching here.
Another asset to the St. Joseph curriculum is our music program. This is Miss Van Dorth. She's going to explain a little bit about the music program this year.
We are focusing on music reading. So for the elementary level, we are learning how to read and clap and draw the music notes. And for the middle school, we are learning how to read in more advanced level.
It's lunchtime right now at St. Joseph's, and our elementary kids are enjoying their lunchtime. One thing that I love about our school is that the fact that our wonderful cafeteria ladies provide fresh food every day. They cook homemade things that the kids love and enjoy, and it's healthy for them too.
What I love most about St. Joe's is their awesome lunch. My favorite part of the day is recess.
We are very blessed that our children get to attend Mass on a weekly basis in our own church. It's wonderful that our kids get the experience of getting to be altar servers and cantors and also be part of our choir. Due to COVID, some things have changed. We are only allowed to allow half of our student body into the church at any given time, while the other half live streams in our cafeteria. But they are interactive and live with Father. We welcome all faiths at St. Joseph's. You do not need to be Catholic to attend. St. Joseph's Catholic School can be within your reach. We have some income-based scholarships that are Step Up for students, the Founders Scholarship, and also AAA scholarships. We also have scholarships available for kids with special needs like the Gardner and the McKay Scholarship. We also have some financial aid available through the church and the school as well. All you have to do is ask.